Ever pondered the process of replacing the power supply on your PC? The task might seem daunting, but with a little bit of guidance, you'll find it's not as complicated as it might appear. So, buckle up for an enlightening journey into the heart of your computer. First things first, safety should always come first. Disconnect your PC from the power source. This step is paramount to prevent any accidental electrical shocks. Once you've done that, remove the side panel of your computer case. Usually, you'll find a couple of screws on the back that are holding it in place. Unscrew these and slide the panel off. Next, it's time to locate the power supply. It's typically found at the top or bottom at the back of your case. It's the box with a bunch of wires coming out of it, leading to different components of your computer. Take a moment to observe where these wires are connected. It might even be helpful to take a picture for future reference. Once you've taken note of the connections, start unplugging the wires. Be gentle when doing this. You don't want to accidentally damage any of the components. After unplugging everything, you'll find that the power supply is attached to the case with a few screws. Locate these and remove them. Now you should be able to slide the power supply out of the case. Now comes the time to install your new power supply. Slide it into the space where your old one was. Ensure it's properly aligned with the screw holes. Once it's in place, use the screws you removed earlier to secure it to the case. With your power supply securely in place, it's time to reattach all the wires. Refer back to the picture you took earlier if you're unsure where each wire goes. Make sure each connection is secure. You don't want any loose wires causing problems later on. Finally, once everything is connected, it's time to replace the side panel of your computer case. Secure it with the screws you removed at the beginning of the process. And voila, you've successfully replaced your power supply. Well done on mastering this crucial computer maintenance skill. To recap, the process involved disconnecting your PC from the power source, removing the side panel of your computer case, locating the power supply, and carefully unplugging all the wires. You then removed the old power supply, installed the new one, reattached all the wires, and finally replaced the side panel. Remember, with a little patience and careful attention, you can tackle even the most daunting of PC repairs. So the next time your power supply needs replacing, you'll be ready to rise to the challenge.